Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, where we bring you in-depth motorcycle reviews and explanations. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda Rebel 500, a bike that has been a favorite among cruiser lovers, new riders, and those looking for a stylish yet practical machine. Honda's Rebel series has always stood out for its easy handling, comfortable ride, and sleek bobber-inspired design. But with the 2025 model, has Honda made it even better? That's what we're here to find out. The Rebel 500 is designed to offer a relaxed but engaging riding experience. It's built for those who want the cruiser lifestyle without the bulk and weight of bigger machines. Whether you're commuting, taking a weekend cruise, or just starting your motorcycle journey, the Rebel 500 aims to be the perfect companion. The 2025 model refines what was already a great platform, keeping everything riders love while making some important improvements in technology, comfort, and performance. At the heart of the Rebel 500 is the same tried and true 471-seat liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. It's a reliable and smooth motor that delivers just the right amount of power for a bike of this size. Producing around 46 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque, it's not a high-performance monster, but that's not what it's meant to be. The power delivery is linear and predictable, making it an excellent choice for newer riders while still being engaging enough for experienced motorcyclists. One of the key improvements Honda has made for 2025 is refining the throttle response. The fuel mapping has been adjusted to make acceleration even smoother, reducing any jerkiness and giving the bike a more refined feel. This is especially useful in city riding, where stop-and-go traffic requires smooth power delivery. Honda has also improved fuel efficiency slightly, with the bike now averaging around 65 empty 27.6 km, making it one of the most economical options in its class. The 6-speed transmission remains unchanged, offering crisp shifts and well-spaced gear ratios. The first gear provides a solid amount of torque for quick takeoffs, while the taller gears keep the engine relaxed at highway speeds. The assist slipper clutch is a big advantage, making clutch operation much lighter and reducing hand fatigue during long rides. It also prevents excessive wheel hop during aggressive downshifting, adding an extra layer of safety. When it comes to handling, the Rebel 500 continues to be one of the most confidence-inspiring bikes in the cruiser segment. Weighing in at around 408 libs, 185 kg, it's lightweight enough to maneuver easily, whether you're navigating city streets or parking in tight spaces. The trellis frame is designed to provide stability while keeping the bike agile. Honda has fine-tuned the suspension setup for 2025, with a 41 mm telescopic fork up front offering 4.8 inches, 122 mm. of travel and twin nitrogen-charged shocks in the rear, providing a comfortable and controlled ride. The suspension isn't overly stiff, but it's firm enough to prevent excessive dive-under braking and ensures good road feedback. The bike's low 7.2-inch seat height is a major advantage, making it accessible for riders of all sizes. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking for a relaxed cruiser, the ability to flat-foot at stops adds a lot of confidence. The ergonomics are well balanced, with slightly raised handlebars that reduce wrist strain and mid-mounted foot pegs that offer a comfortable riding posture. The new seat design, featuring a revised foam compound, provides better support for long rides, ensuring that comfort isn't compromised even on extended journeys. Braking performance has been slightly refined with an updated ABS system that offers better modulation. The Rebel 500 still features a single 296 mm front disc with a twin piston caliper and a 240 mm rear disc with a single piston caliper. While it's not an aggressive braking setup, it's more than sufficient for the bike's weight and intended use. The improved ABS system helps prevent wheel lockup, especially in wet or slippery conditions, making it a valuable feature for both new and experienced riders. One of the biggest updates for the 2025 Rebel 500 is its upgraded technology. Honda has introduced a brand new full-color TFT instrument display, replacing the previous LCD unit. This new screen offers better visibility in all lighting conditions and provides more information, including a gear position indicator, fuel range estimate, and real-time fuel consumption. The display is clean and minimalistic, in line with the Rebel's overall aesthetic. Another notable addition is Honda's smart key system, which allows for keyless ignition. This adds an extra layer of convenience, making it easier to start the bike without fumbling for keys. It's a small but meaningful upgrade that enhances the overall user experience. Honda has also included a USB-C charging port near the handlebars, making it easier to charge a phone or power a GPS device during long rides. One of the more exciting updates is the introduction of ride modes. The 2025 Rebel 500 now comes with 3 selectable modes: Standard, Sport, and Rain. Standard mode provides balanced power delivery for everyday riding. Sport mode sharpens throttle response for a more engaging ride, while Rain mode softens power delivery and increases traction control intervention for safer riding in wet conditions. These ride modes add a level of customization that was previously missing from the Rebel lineup. The Rebel 500's design remains largely the same, with its iconic bobber styling that has made it one of the best-looking cruisers in its class. The round LE headlight, thick tires, and minimalistic bodywork give it a tough, aggressive stance. Honda has slightly refined the fuel tank shape, making it more sculpted for a sleeker look. New color options for 2025 include matte black metallic, pearl smoky gray, and a deep midnight blue, giving riders more choices to match their personal style. The Rebel 500 has always been a great platform for customization, and that remains true with the 2025 model. Honda offers a range of factory accessories, including different seat options, a rear luggage rack, and a passenger seat kit. Aftermarket support is also strong, allowing riders to personalize their bike with different handlebars, exhausts, and lighting setups. Whether you want a stripped-down bobber look or a fully equipped touring setup, the Rebel 500 is a great canvas for modifications. In terms of pricing, Honda has kept the Rebel 500 within an affordable range. The base model is priced at $6,799, while the ABS version comes in at $7,099. This makes it one of the best value mid-sized cruisers on the market, offering a combination of style, performance, and reliability at a competitive price point. The Rebel 500's main competitors include the Kawasaki Vulcan S, which features a more powerful 649C engine and an adjustable ergonomic setup. However, the Vulcan is slightly heavier and more expensive. Another rival is the Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650, which offers a classic cruiser look and a Torquay twin-cylinder engine. While the Super Meteor has retro appeal, the Rebel 500 wins on weight, ease of handling, and modern tech. Overall, the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 remains one of the best choices for riders looking for a stylish, easy-to-ride, and reliable cruiser. With its refined throttle response, upgraded tech features, and improved comfort, Honda has successfully enhanced an already excellent bike. It's ideal for beginners who want a manageable yet cool-looking machine, and for experienced riders who appreciate its practicality and customization potential. If you're considering a mid-sized cruiser, the Rebel 500 should definitely be on your list. It's affordable, fun to ride, and built to last. Let me know in the comments, would you choose the Rebel 500 over its competitors? What's your favorite feature on the 2025 model? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth bike reviews. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next video.